Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful, cute, small punch bag. So, first of all, take your canvas. Its width will be 33 centimeter and height will be 23 centimeter. And turn into wrong side and take exactly same measurement of fusible interfacing and iron it. After this, we have to take one more part. Actually, it is also same measurement, and this is for lining. I mean, inside of the bag. And we need one more thing, that's zipper. So now I have done the iron. Look at this. You know, zipper has two sides, right side and wrong side. Now I'm going to take wrong side off. Look at this. This is the wrong side of the zipper, and now it's time to stitch. This side will be one part and second part will be this side. I mean our other side. This is also wrong side up of the zipper. Now take the lining and this is wrong side and right side. So right side will be down and wrong side will be up. And here will be one more stitch exactly same like we have done before. Okay. This side also. Now flip it. And we have to stitch one more. I think it will be top stitch, and of course it will be close to the zipper. By the way, if you're new here, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, and I'm going to show you very practical way to make a beautiful bag. So look at this is very important step, and we should align here and set the zip and fold it like this, and here will be a center cut. Actually not one, both side center cut, and just flip it. Before flip we have to adjust here for accurate measurement. So I have done it and flip it. After this, the center cut and the zip point will be aligned. Look at this, zip point and center cut, and clip up here. Okay, now I'm going to do corner cut, but here is important and interesting things. So first of all, just mark here just 3 centimeter from both sides, just 3 centimeter, because everyone show like this, but I'm going to show you something different and make all the mark right, or all four side. Okay, now just cut it. But after cut, I'm going to show you something interesting and important also. So stitch this side. You can stitch here for 2 times, but we have to do something more important thing, that is kind of handle. And actually this is not important that I told you. I'm going to show you that actually about corner, how to make a perfect corner. So just this is for one kind of handle, and set it here and center and fold it double and inside it and stitch here. You can stitch here for 2 times. So now look at this. This is not remain 3 centimeter because we had a stitch here. So I'm going to cut more for make sure perfect 3 centimeter from stitch, and all four side just cut and make it perfect 3 centimeter. And now it's time to stitch the corner. So look at this and fold it like this, and this will be like this, and just stitch here exactly the same way we have to stitch our all four corner. After this our bag will be ready. By the way, do you need to make big bag, I mean daily use bag? I uploaded so many videos about that, so you can visit my channel, and I think you will get some important videos, so you can visit my channel. And I have done it. Look at this, full at the corner, all four corner, and finally we have done it. So thanks for watching. Please like the video, and when we will make this bag, please comment it. So thanks for watching again.